Let's zoom down and see if we can... Oh, wowzers. I've never seen it this bad. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Crack your window.
Wow, I've never seen it like this. There is a little ducky pond here. I've done lots of videos in my videos here. The playground, even over to the playground, is flooded. Wow, wow, wow.
That manhole is careful. Seems like a poppy.
Yeah, it's definitely, so is this one, look. Manholes are popping out. That's a piece of car or something. Unbelievable. We're on sidewalk at this point.
I'm doing that just to get my car up.
I think they're going to shut down this street. Nope.
They should.
They should, yeah. I thought that's what the police officer was doing, but this is insane. Whoa. And it's pretty well, it's past the ground. I've never seen the park like this in the close to 40 years I've been coming here. Like, the park benches are submerged in the water. Like, I can see the tips of them. Wow. Never have I ever seen anything like this. They said it was going to be a bad one. I had no idea it was going to be this bad. Oh, that park bench is not submerged. It was only half submerged. That one is. Yeah, it's still going across. Look down there. The trees snapped in half here. Streets littered with trees. Oh, that's going in. Maybe we should turn around.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, wow. Big difference from yesterday, eh? Oh yeah, it's starting to recede a lot. Still raging pretty fast, but nothing like it was.
There's the tree that fell down.
Well, hard to believe the difference a few hours can make. A lot of landscape damage. It's not at the playground anymore.
Manhole.
Oh yeah, even this street was pretty bad last night. Oh, I think Cape Breton will be alright. They'll fix it up, spiff it all up like new.
Yes.
And in 6 months we won't even remember all this